Okay, now what we're going to talk about is how to convert the 100 ohms GigaProbes into a 50 ohm probe. It's a multi-mode probe. I'm going to take the safety cover off and expose the probe tips. And it comes with a 50 ohm conversion kit. We'll kind of empty out the contents of our kit, which contains a shorting cap, some wire, and some shrink wrap. So we'll just move a few of these away. So what we have now is one wire, one shorting cap, and a shrink wrap. So in order to convert the GigaProbes into 50 ohms, normally it's 100 ohms across those two center conductors. From the outer shield, which is gold plated, to the diamond plated probe tips, it's 50 ohms. So if I short any one of these center conductors out and put a shorting cap at the end, that will be a reference to ground. The other one will be a signal pin to ground. So we'll have a 50 ohm probe. So to do that, we use the wire that comes with the kit. I just kind of put it through the two center conductors, and I kind of hold my finger on one of them. I just go one wrap. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. And then I make a couple wraps around here, and then I hold it, if you can see that, and I take a pair of dikes, cut it, and then I just put the shrink wrap over that. And the same leg that we shorted to ground, what we're going to do is put the shorting cap on there. And we take our SMA wrench and we just tighten it down a little bit. And now we take one of the cables that came with our kit, and we take our right angle adapter, put that on there. And then we tighten that down a little bit. Now we take our cable. And what I like to do is, if I'm going to be doing hand probing, what I'm going to do is kind of drape the cable down a little bit to see in the direction I'm going to be hand probing, to tighten it down, both the cable and the adapter. And there you go. We have a 50 ohm probe. It's in for hand probing. The cable is draping down, so there's no strain on that. And there you go.